My name is Raymond Timmer. I'm a category manager at Amac. Amac is an Apple Premium Reseller in the Netherlands with 47 stores all over the country. We have, of course, the retail shops where we sell Apple and Apple-related accessories. Next to that, we have an online portal for the consumers, an online web shop, together with a B2B platform, multiple platforms even, where we have a dedicated sales team as well. I'm responsible for the category management team, where we have a team of people enriching the product content. And secondly, I'm deciding the range of product accessories, Apple accessories. We have roughly around 2,000 active physical SKUs, but in total 12,000 SKUs in the system, where we use obviously the Inriver system for. Amac is around for 20 years now. We have our 20 years anniversary. Looking forward to expand the business forward. We started as a physical retail shop, and seeing the demand growing online, we needed a tool to give our customers the same experience which we are giving in-store as an online experience. And for that we are using our current web portal and ERP system, but we found out that is not sufficient to the future to manage your product data in the right way. The main reason for starting with a system like Inriver is to centralize the data, to have one single source of truth, using that data towards all our different systems. So not only our ERP system, but also our web system, and as well as the newly to be introduced POS system, the cash register system in the stores. The main reason for choosing Inriver is the user friendliness of the system. It's quite easy to use, it's very easy to read, but also managing the product information data in a very convenient way, using different functionalities in the system. And even though some of the functionalities are rather new, we are already using them, like the table grid overview, where you can easily, for example, implement the compatibility of our product accessories with the iPhone. So for example, if you have an iPhone 16, it's very easy to give all the accessories the right compatibility assets in a quick way, using a table grid in this case. But secondly, it's also a very easy platform, an easy tool to align and to integrate in our other systems, the ERP software, but also the cash register system, the POS system. We start with Inriver as the basic start of entering the product data. From that, it's being pushed to SAP, to our ERP system. The financial, the bookkeeping is being done. But secondly, from the PIM system directly, we are pushing the product information to our POS system. Well, being an Apple Premium Reseller, Apple is of course one of our most important suppliers. When we are releasing a new product from Apple, the announcement the consumer will see on the keynote is normally also the moment we are receiving the information from Apple. From that moment on, we need to implement that in our systems. That takes quite a lot of time, and before having Inriver in place, it took us not only for Apple but also the related accessories up to 3 weeks to implement all the right product information, compatibility, and so on, to give the right presentation of the product in our shops, but also online. Having Inriver now in place, it will save us a lot of time, where we reduce our implementation time for new products roughly with 50%. And that's a huge difference, of course, with the beginning. And time to market in this case is key. So we are able now, only in the evening, to prepare all the product information, to have the products live, if needed, the next morning, which is really helpful. Being an Apple Premium Reseller, we are depending on, of course, information from third-party suppliers. We are not the manufacturer, so we are not producing the products. That means that you need to gather a lot of different information from different parties. My advice would be for somebody starting new in this field, I would say focus on optimizing the way you are retrieving your product information. Try to spend time there to prepare a strategy on that. If you have the right strategy in place, if you have, as far as possible, optimized product information, use that time to work more downstream, so to improve the customer journey the customer is having in the store and also online, because that is where you can make the big difference. Yes, we are using workflows. Another example with this Apple new product introduction. Usually we had to wait for our purchasing team to create the product in the system. Then our enriched team was able to enrich the product data. The next step in the flow was going to marketing to upload the images. Having workflows in place now, we can do that independently from each other. So that's also reducing the time enormously. First of all, you need to be an expert in Excel then. If you don't have that in place, it will take you a lot of time and extra efforts, which is not necessary at the moment anymore. Having the right PIM system, having AI helping you probably, it would make your life so much easier. It's definitely worth doing. Where Amac wants to grow enormously in the range of products, you need an Inriver system, a PIM system, which is capable to grow with you, with the company. And having so much changes coming up, not only product-wise, having a lot of more products in space, but also new legislations coming in place where you need the right way of dealing with product attributes. That is where Inriver can help you as well.